Hello, today I'm gonna deriving Snell's law, which is n1 sine theta 1 equals to n2 sine theta 2, where n is the refractive index and theta can be refracted angle or incident angle. So I'm supposed to deriving it. So first let's draw a line and a normal line and an incident ray and a refracted ray. So the angle over here, theta 1 and theta 2. So let's say the medium 1, this is medium 1, this is medium 2. Medium 1 will be air and water. Let's say medium 1, refractive index it will be 1, and water, I don't know, so it will be 2, and 2. No, okay, let's just say it's then 1, okay. So if we know that water is denser than air in medium, that means the refractive index of water has to be greater than n1, right? It has to be greater than n1. That means, according to refractive index formula, n equals to C over V. The higher number will be put on the top. The lower number have to put on the denominator. That means n2 over n1. This is our first information. Okay? What is our second information will be our theta? Theta. We know that theta it's not a normal degree. It has to be combination of sin, cos, tan, right? Sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So there has three possibility answer. So how scientists know which one they're gonna use? So the answer will be sine. But why? Because if you draw a right angle triangle here, the theta opposite side will be opposite, and this will be opposite, and right angle opposite will be hypotenuse, and the last will be adjacent. So this is H and this is A. So you can see sine formula will be so ga do, right? Am I right? So you can see which length is changing. O, right? We'll be saying O is changing. O is changing. That means O is the change in difference. So you have to use O, which is O, sine theta and tan theta. So cos theta will be cancelled out. So what's the difference now? The difference is H and A. You see, why is it sine? Because it doesn't contain A. You cannot use A as a you cannot use A as a number because A is a virtual thingy, because A is a normal line. Okay, we cannot see the A part because A is actually the normal line of the medium. We draw it just to make it easier to draw the incident ray and the refracted ray. So A is actually not a number, it's a virtual thingy. For in a high class English will be in the interminate. It's not an actual virtual. It's not a real value. So you cannot use A. So that means tan theta is cancelled out. So it's sin theta. So sin theta 1 divided by sin theta 2. Why? Because you can see clearly that theta 1 is bigger than theta 2. According to refractive index, bigger the value have to divide by smaller value according to refractive index. So sin theta 1 divided by sin theta 2 will be n2 over n1. So if you do it algebra, this will be the final deriving value formula. So I hope you learn. Yeah.